All right, hello grade 7. It is now time for another flipped classroom lesson. Today's topic, what is a mixture? Now before we start today's lesson, let's review some key terms we learned last class. The characteristics that we use to describe matter are called, did you get it? Properties. A material that has more than one set of properties is called a mixture. Mixtures that contain parts which you can see are called heterogeneous. And finally, materials that have only one set of properties are called, I'll give you a hint, starts with the letter H. You know what it is? Homogeneous. Hopefully, these terms were meaningful to you. Now, let's talk about mixtures for a minute or two. Sand, pop, and smog are all mixtures because they have different parts and they keep the properties of each part. When a mixture's different parts can be easily identified, we call it a mechanical mixture. On the next slide are some examples of a mechanical mixture. Pizza, hot dog, chocolate bar, hot chocolate. Yes, I am hungry. These are mechanical mixtures because you can see all of the different things that make up the mixture. Mustard, onions, chili, hot dog. Delicious. Now, by this point, you must be wondering whether anything can be homogeneous. The answer is yes. We can see a homogeneous mixture, and it is called a solution. We see very large solutions each day. Salt water of the oceans is a solution. Air is a homogeneous mixture of oxygen, nitrogen, and other gases. A solution is a mixture which has only one set of properties. That looks important. A solution is a mixture which has only one set of properties. That means when you add different parts together, only one set of properties appears for the mixture. When you combine silver and copper, each combines its set of properties to make sterling silver, which has its own unique set of properties. Someone who had never seen sterling silver before would think that it existed naturally. On the next slide are some examples of solution. Sterling silver, food dye, vinegar, lemonade, that cool, refreshing drink. One set of properties for each of these. Can you think of any other solutions? Heterogeneous mixtures can be a little confusing because we think we see a mixture that contains only one part. For example, if you combine sugar with water, all you see is water. The sugar crystals seem to disappear, but the taste of the sugar remains. So where do the bits go? You'll have to find that out next class. See you Monday, grade 7.